Hi everyone, welcome back to Design Craft channel. Today, where I'll be sharing basic crochet techniques. I'll show you how to make a crochet chain step by step. Grab your yarn and hook, and let's begin. Start by holding the yarn and using your hook to make a yarn over. Then, use your fingers to hold the point where the yarn crosses, so it stays steady. Yarn over again, and this time, pull the yarn through the loop that's on your hook. That's your first chain. Now just keep going. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Each time you do that, you're adding a new chain to your foundation. Try to keep your chains even and relaxed. This helps your project look neat from the start. Once you've made a few chains, your first chain will be secure. At this point, you can gently pull the yarn tail to tighten and complete that first chain. You might notice I didn't start with a slip knot. That's because I prefer not to have a visible knot at the start. This way, the first stitch looks just like a normal chain, clean and neat. But if you prefer to start with a slip knot, that's totally fine too. It's really up to your preference. Just go with what feels best for your style. Now let's take a closer look at the structure of a chain. Each chain has two visible loops. The one behind it is the back loop, and the one facing you is called the front loop. If you flip the chain over to the back, you'll see another loop running down the center. That's called the back bump. Different patterns will tell you where to insert your hook. Some use the front loop, some the back loop, and some prefer the back bump for a cleaner edge. So it's good to understand all three and know what they look like. And that's it. Now you know how to make a crochet chain. It's a simple but super important step that you'll use in almost every project. So take your time to practice and get comfortable with it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crochet basics and fun tutorials coming soon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!